The Makeblock mBot Ultimate 10-in-1 offers a versatile building experience with over 160 mechanical parts and electronic modules, allowing for the creation of 10 distinct robot models. This robotics kit supports various programming platforms, including Scratch block-based programming and Arduino IDE, making it accessible to both beginners and experienced programmers. The MegaPi control board, compatible with Arduino and Raspberry Pi, enables advanced functionalities like synchronous motor control and sensor integration, opening up numerous project possibilities. Constructed from industrial-grade aluminum alloy, the kit ensures durability and safety while maintaining a lightweight design suitable for makers and hobbyists alike. This educational kit makes an excellent gift for both teenagers and adults, promoting STEM learning through engaging robotics projects and activities. With comprehensive online guides and resources, the mBot Ultimate 10-in-1 makes building and coding fun and intuitive, enhancing the learning experience for users of all skill levels.